I've been trying to understand test automation for months while we work on this project, but I simply can't seem to get it.
I get what you mean. With test automation, we're dealing with many difficulties. We're spending tons of time and money on it, but we're not getting the outcomes we desire.
We simply are unable to take advantage of the synergies between BDD as a mechanism for defining requirements and testing as a quality goal.
You must not be familiar with the Beta platform.
The Beta platform? And what's that?
Beta is the platform that will save you, my friend.
Tell me more.
The Beta BDD Extensible Test Automation platform assists developers, business analysts, and quality engineers in making various phases of application testing more effective, simple, and rapid. Additionally, it allows for shift-left testing, enables test automation, and fosters greater collaboration among project participants regardless of their technical proficiency. Even when performing an in-sprint or in-flight testing, we can streamline the scripting process and quicken test automation.
That all sounds great, but can you break it down for me so I can develop a clear understanding?
Sure. So, as opposed to attempting to automate your test cases, you automate your application functionalities instead. BDD test scenarios then use these automated functionalities to increase the test automation coverage. As a result, testing is quicker and more effective. That's not all either. Beta also fosters collaboration between the BA, Dev, and QA teams, enabling shift-left testing and test automation in projects.
That is fantastic! But what about the project team's issue with technical skill sets?
That's also taken care of by Beta. Regardless of their level of technical expertise, it allows different project stakeholders the flexibility to participate in test automation because of its user-friendly interface and aptitude.
What about the significant work that goes into automated test failure analysis?
Beta has you covered there as well. The amount of work required for automated test failure analysis is greatly reduced because of Beta, due to its AI-powered engine, which has the ability to identify unique faults.
I can't wait to use Beta to test in a smoother and more effective manner.
Yes, we should definitely give Beta a try in our next project and see the difference it makes.
Absolutely. I am confident that you will be pleasantly surprised by the results. The platform has been proven to increase efficiency and productivity in various projects. You won't regret giving it a chance.
I am really looking forward to this. It's going to be a game changer for us.
I couldn't agree more.
I'm glad I could help.
Thank you so much for your help.
Yes, we really appreciate it.
It was my pleasure. That's what I'm here for. Good luck with your future projects.
The Beta BDD Extensible Test Automation platform provides different interfaces to automate your BDD scenarios. Non-technical users can configure test scenarios, trigger test execution, and view test results from Beta Platform UI. The user can navigate to the project execution page and select the project under Test from the available list of projects assigned to the user. The user is selecting the required BDD scenarios for execution in an API testing project and goes for execution. Users can view the test execution progress at the test scenarios level on the same page, and will get the consolidated test execution report in the Beta Platform dashboard. The detailed report is available in the dashboard to download, and it includes the required test evidence captured from the last execution. Users can update BDD scenarios, add new scenarios, or update test data in a project and go for execution from Beta Platform UI. Here in the API testing project, we are uploading a new BDD feature file. Also, we can update the test data as required for the project. The BDD scenarios updated in the API testing project are reflected in the test execution window and are ready to start execution. The other interface to trigger test execution is from local desktop. Quality engineers can update the required BDD test scenarios and test data inputs in the test automation pack and go for execution from the local desktop itself. It will connect to Beta Platform APIs internally for efficient and faster execution. all test results and test evidence will be available in the beta platform dashboard after the test execution. This will give more flexibility to quality engineers to control test scenarios and test inputs locally, and getting the full benefits of central beta platform through inbuilt API calls. The beta platform also gives the option to trigger BDD test execution from your development IDE and enable shift-left testing. The developers and quality engineers can work together and start utilizing the beta platform capabilities from the development phase itself. The BDD Test Automation Pack configured here can be reused in the upcoming testing stages of the project with additional test scenarios as required. Like API testing, the beta platform facilitates BDD test automation for web UI and other interfaces testing through different test execution channels. The user can select web UI test scenarios and go for execution from the BTAF platform. In this case, the test run is happening on a remote cloud EC2 instance, and the user can view the execution progress and final report in the beta platform dashboard. Alternatively, the user can trigger web UI test execution from a local desktop or development IDE as part of project unit testing and get the full benefits of the central beta platform. The beta platform also gives you a summary view of test automation usage in each project. The beta platform is integrated with DevSecOps and promotes unattended deployment and Ansible tests. BDD test automation packs configured in the beta platform are readily available to trigger test execution through an API call. This helps to trigger test execution next to any deployment in the pipeline. The beta platform also provides a generic API to keep checking the test execution status on the previous test runs. This helps as a tollgate review and decision-making point to continue the deployments into other environments in the pipeline. Key features of the beta platform include customer-centric, central automation platform, accelerated test automation for BDD, agnostic nature and tool, technology, and scripting language, zero low script test automation, future mindset, DevSecOps readiness, promotes unattended deployment and Ansible tests, microservice architecture and modular components, enable shift-left testing, diverse thinking, centralized test orchestration, AI-based engine for test failure analysis and reporting unique defects into Jira, promotes collaboration between BA, Dev, and QA, deployment options, cloud version, AWS, on-premise version. For more details, please contact Beta Delivery Office at UST.com.